Hello my dear friends, welcome to Medicard. I am Hijaz Ahmad. In this video, we will introduce 10 new job openings for medical professionals in UAE. So keep watch till the end. Please subscribe our channel. If it is useful, please share to your friends. Medicard team having training and documentation support for DHA, HAD and MOH. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact us. Our team will assist you. If you want to apply for following jobs, please mail your CV to job.medicard@gmail.com. If you have any doubts, please contact us. +91 9895 440 551. Only WhatsApp, no calls. For applying following jobs, send your CV. No need other documents first. While sending the CV, you have to keep these things on mind. First thing, you must have to mention which license do you have, DHA, HAD or MOH. Second thing, are you available in UAE or in your home country? Your updated contact details must included in CV and text also. Don't forget to add job code. For Indian nurses, we have a special package that will detail at the end of this video. Job code Medicard 001. License needed DHA. Designation nursing. Number of vacancies 250. Qualification BSc. Department ICU. This vacancy is for ICU experienced BSc nurses with DHA license. Gender male and female. Nationality any nationality. Duty hours 9 hours per day. Salary 5,000 AED to 7,000 AED. That means 1 lakh to 1 lakh 40,000 Indian rupees. Second job. Job code Medicard 002. License needed DHA. Designation nursing. Number of vacancies 30. Qualification BSc nursing or GNM. Department OPD. Gender female. Nationality any. Duty hours 8 hours per day. Salary for BSc nursing 5,000 to 6,000 AED. Diploma GNM 4,000 to 4,500 AED. Job code Medicard 003. License needed DHA. Designation nursing. Number of vacancies 30. Qualification BSc nursing or general nursing. Department rehabilitation. Gender male or female. Nationality any nationality can apply. Duty hours 8 hours. Salary for BSc nursing 6,000 to 7,000 AED. For diploma 4,500 to 5,000 AED. Job code Medicard 004. License needed DHA. Designation nursing. Number of vacancies 30. Qualification BSc nursing or GNM. Department home care. Gender male or female. Nationality any. Duty hours 8 hours. Salary for BSc nursing 6,000 plus overtime. Overtime will be 2,000 to 3,000 AED. Total salary will be 8,000 to 9,000 AED. For GNM candidates 4,500 to 5,000 plus overtime 2,000. Don't compare this with normal home care services. It is hospital based home care. Job code Medicard 005. This is for Abu Dhabi based hospital. License needed. Hard license. Designation nursing. Number of vacancy 20. Qualification BSc nurse. Department any department. Gender female or male. Nationality any. Salary 5,000 to 6,000 AED. Job code Medicard 006. License needed DHA or MOH. Designation pharmacist. Vacancies 20 vacancies. Qualification B Pharm. Gender male or female. Nationality India or Pakistan. Salary 3,500 to 4,500 AED. Job code Medicard 007. License needed DHA or MOH. Designation lab technician. Vacancy 3. Qualification DMLT or BSc MLT. Gender male or female. Nationality any nationality can apply. Salary 4,000 to 5,000 AED. Job code Medicard 008. License needed DHA. Designation GP doctor. Number of vacancy 8. Qualification MBBS. Gender male or female. Nationality India or Pakistan. Salary 12,000 to 15,000 AED. Job code Medicard 009. License needed Hard. Designation nursing. Number of vacancy 30. Qualification BSc. Department ambulance nurse. Gender male. Nationality any. Salary 6,500 to 7,500 AED. Job code Medicard 010. Licensed Hard. Designation nursing. Number of vacancies 10. Qualification BSc. Department school nurse. Gender female only. Nationality any. Duty hours 8 hours. Salary 5,500 to 6,500 AED. For this opening, 2 months annual leave is available. This part is only for Indian nurses. We have a 3 months package for Indian nurses, including training, documentation and placement. The guidance will be at free of cost. WhatsApp your details. We will contact you and leads to your Dubai dreams. If you are joining with us, you can be a licensed nurse in UAE within 3 months. Don't waste your time. Keep this on mind. You are wasting minimum of 1 lakh Indian rupees per month for you and your family. So Don't waste your time.